Sometimes, last-minute changes mean you need to update a quote or an estimate. In Fergus, you can't edit a published quote or estimate directly, but you can create and send a new version. Let's walk through how to do that. First, open the quote or estimate you want to update. In the top left, click New Version. This will duplicate the quote so you can make changes. You can view all versions at any time using the Versions drop-down at the top. Make your changes in the new version, then publish it and send it to your customer, just like you would with any other quote. Now you'll have multiple versions of the quote saved under the same job number. Keep in mind, only one version can be accepted at a time per job. Now that you have your updated version, you may want to get rid of the old one. Published quotes can't be deleted, but they can be voided. To do this, open the Versions drop-down, find the version you want to void, click the ellipses menu on the right, and select Void Version. This helps keep things clean and ensures only the relevant quote is active. And that's it, now you know how to manage quote and estimate changes in Fergus with ease.